guts. Alright, Lockie James, so we're doing a bit of a before video of your current stock suspension. How do you think it feels?
Oh, it's pretty tough, you know, a few bumps and dings here and there.
Right. I'm hearing about 2 or 3 bumps. Definitely one of the control arm at the front. I think we've got a sway bar linkage or a some sort of attachment that's a bit loose.
Yes.
The Yodas have gone out of them, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that. Also, we're going to drive very carefully here, and we will just sussing out all the before bumps before we do our unboxing video and start looking at some pretty specky components from Father Christmas, Lockie James.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
All right. And I think definitely when we take these control arms out, I reckon there's going to be 3 or 4 bushes that are absolutely yoded. So let's go and have a look. Well, Christmas has come early, Lockie James. What you got yourself here?
Well, it certainly has. We've only gone and got ourselves a Super Pro front sway bar, adjustable.
Oh.
Looks very nice, very heavy duty.
Right. That'll stop a bit of Rodney knocking that's happening at the moment.
You'd want to think so.
Yeah.
Then we've got our Super Pro sway bar linkages. They're also adjustable. Ooh. Very heavy duty. They look pretty good.
Yes.
Then we've got front control arms.
Oh.
Very nice.
That's also a source of our knocking.
Yes, very.
Yes.
And then we've got our BC Racing Coilover BR series.
Oh.
But,
Yes.
yeah, these look pretty mental.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Well, let's get into some unboxing.
Okay.
Okay. Well, Lockie, look at that. How does that feel?
Feels very heavy duty.
Right.
The 3 holes for the adjustability on it.
Oh, okay.
It's very good.
Yes.
Then also in the little box we got a
Little mounts.
some mounts for it. So
Okay, open them up.
yeah, right. Well, in here.
Oh, what do you got in there, Lockie? Oh, look at them.
Mounts.
Yes. Very nice. Look at those. No more knocking where we're going, Lockie.
Nope.
Right. And I think... What's in there? Why don't you open that up? Use... Oh, what's in here, Lockie?
Well, we've got our
Oh,
linkages.
oh, they look like the end points. Ball links on the ends. Oh, look at these things. Oh,
Strips.
look at this, Lockie.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. All adjustable.
Yep.
Anodized aluminium. You're not going to know yourself.
Nope.
Nope. Oh, control arms, Lockie James. What do you got here?
Well, this is next on the agenda. Well, look at these.
Oh.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, nanny goose.
Oh, my God.
Look at this beautiful Super Pro rubbers. A little bit of insulation grease there.
Wait, grease, and then
There's the other one.
Thank you.
Yep. Oh, very nice. So you can buy these Super Pro bushes separately, and get them all pressed into your old arms, or you can just buy the brand new arms. Lockie, so we got new arms.
I buy the brand new arms.
Oh, right, okay. And then this bit comes off here, obviously for our ball joint. He's all brand new too, isn't he?
Yep.
Very nice. Oh, geez, we're not going to know ourselves.
No.
Very. Oh, BC Coilovers, Lockie. We're. Oh,
Get ready.
get ready for this.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Thank
very
you,
nice.
Santa.
All right, well, let's see what else is in here. Oh, custom coilover since 2006. What do you get in here? You get, oh, look, obviously for the right car, Lockie. It's for a Swift.
Swift. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's
Oh.
Oh. Get to that soon.
Oh. Look at all this. Bloody Mando's in here.
Oh,
Oh,
thank you.
thank you. All right, Lockie, I think you better do the honours. You better pull this one out. Well, look at these, Lockie.
Oh, wow.
Very nice. They look like they're for the front side, suggest.
Yes.
Very nice.
Very
Obviously
cool.
got a spot for our little ABS.
Mm-hmm.
Very nice. Oh, yeah. Well, that's your little rear spring, Lockie. Look at him, height adjuster on him as well.
Height adjuster, yes.
How's he feel?
Oh, very, very nice.
Very nice.
Very heavy duty.
Probably a bit better than the ones that are in the car.
Oh, hopefully.
Yes. Oh, Lockie James, and that's your rear shock as well.
this
How does he
one.
feel?
Very nice.
Yeah, probably less pogo stick like the current one.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Hey, Lockie James. Well, Frankie's just done his darndest there and got the old one out. Have a look at the old one.
Jesus.
Yes.
Look at that.
It's not too bad. The bushes aren't in that bad condition, but they are rubber.
Yeah.
So, compared to your beautiful Super Pro,
Oh, yeah. Very nice.
happy days. And Frankie's just doing his... What are you doing down there, Frankie?
No, I'm just trying to clean out all the rocks and crap and corruption that's got in there over 190 odd thousand kilometres.
Yeah. That's good fun.
Yeah, I wish we were putting the struts in at the same time, but
no.
only one
strut
bush.
box.
That's all right. Here's a lucky last.
This one in what later. What are you doing?
Use your leg down.
What are you doing there, Frankie?
Well, this is as simple as it gets, but
Right.
still a lot of
But it's not
swearing
a
and pushing and
it's a Swift.
farting and
Right.
yeah. So we've got to shove this guy in that way and this one in that way, and then put our little, what should we call it, ball jointy thing.
That's good fun, that ball joint, isn't it?
Up. Oh, well, didn't wreck it.
No.
We're getting there.
No, Wreck-It Ralph, they say.
Oh,
Yep. Are the ghosts with you today, Frankie, or the Yodas?
I'm not mentioning any
No.
characters.
No.
I don't want to be in trouble.
No, you don't want that.
Unnecessary. So.
It's unnecessary, and you did the best you could with what you had, Frankie.
Exactly.
Yes.
Sorry.
Well, she's a hot and humid day here at Cleaning Garage. What you got yourself there, Frankie?
Well, as we sort of expected, these
Oh,
factory
no.
shocks haven't got a lot of rebound or compression damping,
No.
so we're going to replace them.
The Yodas are falling out of those ones, Frankie.
Nothing, has she?
No, got nothing. Oh, well. It's Suzuki Life here today on Lockie's little Bumblebee. So we've just taken the rears out. And look at these beautiful BCs. Oh, my God, Frankie, you're not going to know ourselves. And what the hell are you doing with this Hardrace rear stabiliser bar?
Well, we're trying to work it out. It's beautiful. I thought it went inside the car. It's so pretty.
Oh, no.
Apparently underneath.
Underneath, I think.
Going to get sandblasted by rocks and other corruption.
Yep, well, that's all right. Visit to the sand gods. And no rubber top on the top of that spring perch there, Frankie. That goes in like that. Thank you, BC. And we've just got to put our rear shock is in. And then we're going to get onto the fronts. Because that Mando's got to go. Big brother Dopey there, look at him. And we've got all these goodies to go in. Have a go at this. Well, we're not going to know ourselves. So Frankie's going to do his darndest over there, and we've got all the safety. We've got a spare tyre over there, car jacks, 2 jacks, Frankie, and no one's going to worry about your legs.
Yeah, well, safety fifth as always in
Right.
Cleaning Garage.
That's
but,
it.
We're going to use my sort of spring compressors and just lever these springs out. I think that's
Okay, I think I better stop filming. Well, Frankie, we're halfway. How you feeling?
Yeah, well, that was the easy bit. So
Yeah.
this was pretty cool.
Righto, let's
These
have...
things are easy to work on.
Look at this, Frankie. Oh, my. Thank you to Hardrace. And apparently this transforms the car. We will be the judge of that, Frankie.
Definitely.
Yep, all right. Let's check our ride height. So, Frankie, you're a bit of a suspension connoisseur. What are you doing here with the old setup?
We've got no real ring machine that goes on top of this.
Yep.
There's a little rubber insulator that goes on top of our spring there.
Right.
And then that goes on top there.
Like a top hat.
Whack a little nut on.
Yep.
Bob's your uncle.
Happy days. Right. All right, Frankie, so next stop. Look at the comparison of these old springs. Look at that brother Dopey here, isn't he? Look at him.
Yeah,
This old shock too.
they've done their job for 190,000 Ks.
Certainly
And,
have.
but
Look at your sway bar linkages. Jesus.
some nice little bits in it.
Oh,
Look
that's
at
a
that metal
front-
flake. And,
Oh, very nice. All right, let's get back stuck into it.
okay.
Well, so we're out testing the Swift. What do you reckon, Frankie?
Well, it's 100% over the original worn-out shocks.
Absolute. Yeah, very nice. Yeah,
Very plush.
no bumps and crashes and all the rest of it. Very good.